We washed and dried dozens of dinner plates, glasses, and flatware and soaked up puddles of common kitchen spills to find out which kitchen towels were the most absorbent and durable. There are many kitchen towels to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best kitchen towels from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Facito Kitchen Towel. The Facito towels are 100% cotton and barely shrank after their preliminary wash. Because of its large post-wash size, we were able to dry more dishes and glasses at one time. Each towel is made up of thousands of tiny loops, like terry cloth, bunched up into hundreds of tiny, thick squares, which soak up any liquid in a single pass. Its hem is tightly sewn and showed no signs of fraying after a second wash. Each towel has a hook for hanging it to dry, but during our week-long testing, we just draped it over the sink, and it dried quickly. The Facito towels are available in 13 colors with an attractive checkerboard design, and after 2 washings showed no sign of fading. The Facito towels come in packages of 2, 4, and 10, and although they are a bit expensive, they are very high quality and should last a long time. Number 2. All-Clad Kitchen Towel. The All-Clad Textiles kitchen towels are reversible for dual purposes. The flat linen-like side is for drying glasses, and the nubby, terry cloth side is for heavy-duty drying and wiping up spills. Both sides prove to be very absorbent. The towels are made of 100% Turkish cotton and the terry cloth side is plush and soft. All-Clad has treated these towels with an antimicrobial agent that inhibits the growth of odors, and after air drying them, they did indeed smell fresh, but after 2 washes, the longer side shrank by 3.5 inches, the hem showed some signs of fraying, and threads had begun to come undone on the terry cloth side. Number 3. Urban Villa Kitchen Towel. There's nothing fancy about the Urban Villa kitchen towels, but they're well-made everyday towels that are affordably priced. Manufactured in India and made of tightly woven 100% cotton, they have a medium thickness, somewhat like a folded-over tea towel. The Urban Villa towels have a couple of nice features. The thick hems have mitered corners, meaning they're sewn together at 45-degree angles, which makes them resistant to fraying. We also like the sturdy hanging loop that's made from the same material as the hem. Absorbency was better than a tea towel, but not as good as a terry cloth towel. The Urban Villa towels did shrink somewhat in both length and width, but even with that relatively minor shrinkage, they were still about the same size as our top pick. Number 4. Calf Home Premium Kitchen Towels. The Calf Home kitchen towels are decent bargain towels. They're sold 6 packages of 2 terry cloth towels and 4 flat towels and are manufactured in Pakistan of 100% cotton. Both styles shrank substantially lengthwise by 5 inches, but they retained their pretty blue denim color. The calf towels aren't as sturdy as other towels we tested, and their thin hemlines and terry cloth nubs began to fray after 2 washes. But they were both very absorbent and easily soaked up water on the countertop after we had dried the dishes. We're not sure how durable the Calf Home towels will be, but they can be used for other chores and are affordable to replace. Number 5. Zeppeli Classic Dish Towels. You certainly get bang for your buck with the Zeppeli Classic Kitchen Towels, 15 in a package, but you're not getting anything other than glorified bar mops. Despite the ecstatic online reviews, these very lightweight towels have little absorbency, so if you dry more than a few glasses, you'll need to go through 4 or 5 towels at a time. The Zeppeli towels are smaller than other kitchen towels, and being 100% cotton, they shrank after washing, reducing their width by 2 inches. Zeppeli also markets these towels as reusable cleaning cloths, which instead of paper towels, is how most people use them. The Zeppeli towels are soft and lint-free, so they would be good for dusting or polishing silverware. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know the product price, please check my video description. Looking for any queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.